All right, it has been actually very long time since we had rain in Stockholm, and it just started to rain right now on this 29th of May, and it feels great with this summer gentle rain. It's gonna be a perfect match with the beach that I chosen today, which is this rocky beach in Huddinge, Kärleksholmen, just across the Långsjön, the main beach on the lake of Långsjön. So it is 19 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite warm, and it's actually the same temperature in the lake, 19 degrees exactly. So it is perfect to take a swim when it's the same temperature in the air and in the lake. And this place is very close to my home. It is just 5 kilometers and it takes me less than 12 minutes to reach here with my Scott that is right here, and it's getting free clean from the rain right now. So yes, let me show you around also as well. So there is like a beach promenade here that stretches across the whole lake of Långsjön, and there is my bike as well. So this is perfect here for recreation, for walking, for running, whatsoever, and swimming, of course. So yeah, and I do remember when I was here last year, it was quite cold. I was here something around October, November. So now it is a bit different scene that you can see on this 29th of May. And yes, it is time for beach day number 47, is it? I think so. That is 47. Yes, it is definitely 47. So 3 more days until we hit the big 50, and it will be on 1st of June. So it's gonna be super nice. So cool. Then you can see how the water, how the rain hits the water here. It's quite nice, and it was well needed rain for all the agriculture that we have, especially in the southern parts of Sweden that had decent amount of rain recently. Cool. Now let's find nice way in here, as I assume it is a bit slippery here, so I'm not really sure how to enter it. So let me take a look. I don't see the bottom here, so let me find someplace else. All right. All right, then off we go. It's so beautiful. Look at that. I am swimming with the rain together as one. And I don't feel cold at all, as it is so nice right now. Yeah, it's good to change a bit from all the sun we have had in the past few weeks and super hot weather. It's still warm right now, so it's so nice and beautiful. This lake is quite nice and one of the closest lakes to my home, and it's good that there are several different beaches or beach spots. So this is Kärleksholmen, and there are a few more spots on this side of Huddinge, and the other side of Stockholm there are at least 5 beaches that you have already seen some of them earlier, like Långsjön. It's just 100 meters away from where I am right now, and all the way to Huddinge, which is the last beach spot with a jetty only. But sandy beaches, I believe it is only one, this one, the Långsjön. So I'm trying to clean the camera from the raindrops that fall on it. So thank you so much for watching this episode from this rainy afternoon here in Stockholm, Sweden, more specifically at Kärleksholmen in Huddinge on Långsjön, the Long Lake. So yes, thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.